Hello guys and welcome to AppWiz. In this video, I will show you how to limit your videos and profile to age 18 on TikTok. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and in the search bar, type TikTok. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Once you've done that, open the TikTok app and tap on Profile. Here, tap on the 3 white lines, then select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and choose Audience Control. Make sure to toggle this option on. After doing this, whenever you upload videos, your content and even your profile will only be shown to users aged 18 and above. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, I'll see you soon.